Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dwi Cokro Pranolo SPD, salah satu mahasiswa PPG Angkatan 1 tahun 2022 di Universitas 11 Maret. Dengan nomor peserta PPG 206150247251. Saya melakukan uji kinerja dengan materi Reading Skill Descriptive Text about Place or Tourism secara luring di kelas 11 IPA 1 SMA Negeri 1 Bungaraya, Kecamatan Bungaraya, Kabupaten Siak, Riau, pada tanggal 5 Oktober 2022. Dan saya memohon kepada dosen pembimbing dan juga penilai untuk memberikan bimbingannya terhadap video pembelajaran saya. Berikut videonya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Motivation. Yes.
Okay, still motivated by yourself because this today is afternoon, but I hope you still learn about our study for today. Okay, before we continue for our study, as usual, let me pray together. Please, for the leader, Adit, come forward. Lead your friend to pray together. Here, Adit.
Attention, please. Before we begin our lesson, let's pray. Finish. Greet to the teacher. Good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Okay, please have a seat, Adit. Thank you very much for Adit. Well, before we continue for our study, I would like to check your attendance, please. Please write your hand. If I call you one by one, Aditya Evian Rus.
Present, sir.
Okay. Apriyadi.
Present, sir.
Doni Permana.
Present, sir.
Okay. Anybody student for absent today? No? All of you present? All of you present for today? Okay, because of all of you present for today, I appreciate about that, and I would like to say thank you very much. Well, for today, we continue for our study, still study about descriptive text. We study about descriptive text, tourism place. Okay, before we continue for our study, I just want to remind you about our previous lesson. What is the social function of descriptive text? What are the generic structure of the descriptive text? And then what are the language feature of descriptive text? Okay, wait the moment, please. Okay. Then, before we continue I ask you about what is the social function, generic structure, and then about language of the feature. We study about our purpose of the study. So let me read our purpose of our study first. What is the purpose of our study? Okay, so want to read? Yes, stand up, please. Stand up, please.
Purpose of the study.
Yeah.
Students are able to find the meaningful of the text Tanjung Puting National Park.
Okay.
Students are able to find topic, main area, supporting area in detail. Reference inference of the text Tanjung Puting National Park.
Okay, what is the meaning? Do you know the meaning?
Siswa dapat menemukan arti secara konseptual.
Okay.
Teks Tanjung Puting National Park. Siswa dapat menemukan judul, ide pokok, kalimat pendukung dan penjelas, kata ganti.
Okay. Thank you. Sit down, please. Okay. Next, we continue for our study still related about descriptive text. I just want to remind you about our previous lesson. We ever study about social function. What is the social function of descriptive text? Anyone?
I'm sorry.
Yes.
The social function of descriptive text is to describe particular things about place or tourism.
Okay, descriptive text. Thank you, Putri. Okay, descriptive text is the particular things about place or tourism. And then, what are the generic structure of descriptive text? Generic structure of descriptive text. Anybody want to know? Yeah. Descriptive text, link with future, descriptive. What is it? Generic structure? Identification and description. Okay, thank you. And next, what is the link with future of descriptive text? Link with future. Anybody know? Yeah.
Is simple present.
Simple present.
Passive voice.
Passive voice.
Noun.
Noun.
Phrase.
Noun phrase.
Linking verb.
And
adjective.
adjective. Okay, so thank you, Ravi. Okay, I think all of you know about knowledge. This is knowledge. Pengetahuan. Knowledge about descriptive text. About what is it? Social function, generic structure, and language feature. Now we are going to study about skill of the reading. Skill of the reading. Okay, skill of the reading we study about topic. And then study about main idea. Study about supporting idea. And then detail. And then reference. And then inference. Okay, let me continue for our study. Wait the moment, please. Okay, before we want to continue study about what is the topic, what is the main idea, what is the supporting idea, detailed information. I want to ask you, what are the picture? Okay, stand up, please. What are the picture?
Taj Mahal and Tanjung Puting.
Okay, the picture is about Taj Mahal and Tanjung Puting National Park. And then, where are located?
In India and Kalimantan.
In India and Kalimantan. Okay, did you ever go there?
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't. Okay, thank you very much. Sit, please. Have a seat, please. Okay. Okay, here are study about tourism. I hope you visit some place in your hometown. Kamu kunjungi tempat kediamanmu. Such as Siak Village. Ke mana? Istana Siak or others place, ya. Okay. Next. Okay, let me continue by watching the video. It is listen carefully, please. Listen carefully. We want to study about skill, reading skill, topic, and then main idea, and reference, and also inference. Okay. I want to make a note, please. Buat catatan ya. Make note, please. Here are the video. First, let we watch about topic and main idea.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, di postingan kali ini saya akan membahas tentang reading aspect ya, how to find topic of the text dan how to find main idea of the text. Terkadang kedua reading aspect tersebut ya cukup gampang susah ya. Ketika kita temukan mengikuti berbagai macam jenis ujian bahasa Inggris berbasis teks.
Oke.
Sebenarnya kita punya trik ya, tips yang tepat bagaimana untuk menemukan topik dan idea of the text secara akurat. Nah, seperti apakah pembahasan tentang topik dan idea of the text nanti kita akan bahas di slide berikutnya. Namun, buat kalian yang belum like, share dan subscribe, silakan untuk like, share dan subscribe dulu channel ini. Karena topik ya atau tema dari about what is the theme of the text atau what is the topic of the passage about.
Okay, here are the topic. The topic of the text. The question is, what is the text about? If there is question about what is the text about, it is talk about topic. And then the text tell us about. Text itu menceritakan tentang, itu disebut talking about topic. What is the theme of the text? What is the topic of the passage about? So, if talk about text, talk about passage, mean that it is talk about topic. Okay. Okay, next. What is the main idea? Okay, here are the main idea.
Kita lihat untuk jenis yang
Oke.
pertama ada main idea of paragraph. Di sini inti pokok paragraf ya adalah inti pembahasan paragraf itu sendiri dalam definisinya. Nih ada related question serta pertanyaan yang berhubungan dengan inti pokok paragraf. Mari kita baca sama-sama.
Okay.
Yang pertama contohnya ya. What is the main idea of the first?
Okay, here are the main idea. Main idea mean that, this is general statement in the paragraph. General statement of paragraph. There are questions for determine about main idea. For example, what is the main idea of the first paragraph? Apa ide pokok dari paragraf pertama? And then, what is the last paragraph about? The last paragraph about. And then, what does paragraph 3 mostly tell you discuss about? What does the second paragraph focus on? Mean that general statement, pernyataan yang umum. It is about main idea for every paragraph. So, how about main idea of the text or main idea of the passage? Main idea of the text or main idea of the passage, here are the whole of the statement in general. First paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph, until the last paragraph is covered by one general statement. So it means that here are main idea of the passage, main idea of the text. Like that. So, how about supporting idea? Supporting idea. Support. Do you know support? In bahasa Indonesia, support? Dukungan. Mean that here the sentence are support for the main idea. Mendukung ide pokok. So, sometimes it's in the tail. So it means that it is detailed information. So detail and supporting idea to support the main idea. So to explain something in general. Seperti itu. So understand what I mean? Understand what I mean? Okay. Okay. Now let me continue to know about what is inference and what is reference. Reference and inference. Okay. Okay, let me watch the video, please, about reference or inference. Reference first. Okay.
Hello, everybody. In today's screencast, we're going to look at reference words. Many times we come across words in the text like it and they and them and her and his and both. And we have to figure out what does
Okay.
And others. Today we're going to focus like this. The people.
Here's the other example of reference. Reference word mean that the idea, the text in the word. Like the pizza, it mean that it is it. It mean that kata ganti it. It is reverend. And the pizza, always there is the pizza in every sentence. So it was when you are, salah ini ya. Salah ketika kalian menulis, if you write, there are some word in one sentence. So, elliptic by it change into kata ganti. Here are the reference. And how about inference? Inference mean that the conclusion of the text, of the whole of the text. Jadi kesimpulan pada teks seperti itu. Understand what I mean? Yes. Understand about what is topic? Topic mean that judul. Main idea mean that ide pokok. Supporting idea mean that kalimat pendukung. Detail mean that detail, mendetail, khusus gitu ya terhadap talk about general idea. And then how about reference? Reference mean that kata ganti. Inference mean that kesimpulan. Okay, now I wanted you to make a group discussion, bentuk kelompok ya. Okay, to make a group discussion. Okay, here are the first group, ya. Okay, here are the first group and here are the second group, ya. And then here are the third and here are the fourth group. Okay, I want to give you some LKPD here. Bapak akan berikan LKPD sebagai tugas, your obligation. Here, please. Doing with your group collaboration. Ya, kerjakan secara kelompok dan bekerja sama. Oke, create your creativity and create your thinking. Ya, oke. Now our activity today. Aktivitasnya ya. Okay, before we continue for our activity today, let me pronoun it. Pronoun. Kita ucapkan pengucapan ya. Pronoun. Test our pronunciation. Okay, together. Ecotourism.
Ecotourism.
Destination.
Destination.
Peninsula.
Peninsula.
Unlike.
Unlike.
Snout.
Snout.
Animals.
Animals.
Establish.
Establish.
Heart.
Heart.
Impressive.
Impressive.
Escative.
Escape.
Preservation.
Preservation.
Amazing.
Amazing.
So ecotourism destination mean that tujuan. Peninsula Tanjung. Unlike tidak seperti. Snout hidup. Animals
Sangat besar.
establish.
Mendirikan.
Heart.
Pusat atau inti.
Iya. Impressive.
Membesarkan.
Escative.
Bekas napakan.
Preservation.
Pelestarian.
Amazing.
Mengagumkan.
Okay, here are. So you find at home, you find at home some meaning to read your vocabulary, memperkaya vocabulary. It is about reading comprehension. For our activity today, we continue for our activity today are to analyze Tanjung Puting National Park. Okay, how to analyze Tanjung Puting National Park? Tanjung Puting National Park, where is the participant? What is the meaning first? And then what is the topic? What is the topic Tanjung Puting National Park? The topic is Tanjung Puting National Park. What is the main idea? What is supporting idea? What is detailed information? What is reference? And what is inference? Okay. For this group, first group, you find the meaning in the first paragraph. Okay, find the meaning in the first paragraph. And the second group, yeah, you find the topic or main idea. Okay, the third group, yeah, you find supporting and the detail. Here, supporting and the detail, yeah. And then the last group is talk about reference and inference. Okay, find what is you have done, yeah. I give you 2 minutes, yeah. 2 minutes. Okay, do it by yourself. Coba kerjakan tolong. Okay, do it by yourself, please. Write down, make notes, yeah. Doing what is our activity for today. Okay, is there any question? Is there any question? Is there any question? No? Have you finished? Not yet? Okay, I think finish, yeah. I think finish, yeah. Okay. Now, I hope you present what you have done in your group discussion. Yeah. So the first, please find the meaning. Yeah. Read what is the meaning of the first paragraph, and then the second group will the second of the text or second the phases. Find the topic or main idea, and then here are the third group talk about supporting and detail, yeah, and then reference and inference. Okay. Okay, please for the first group come forward here. Please come forward. Stand up here. Stand up here, please. Okay, stand up together. Never mind. Yeah. Okay. First, you read the meaning, and then read the meaning, ya, artinya, gitu. Habis itu main idenya dibaca, ya. Supporting dibaca, detail dibaca, atau inference dibaca. Oke? Oke, never mind. Oke, please. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will present.
Today, we
Yeah.
will
Present about
Tanjung Puting
National Park. Okay. What is the meaning? Langsung baca. Iya. Oke.
Taman Nasional Tanjung Puting adalah tujuan ekowisata yang terkenal secara internasional yang terletak di barat daya semenanjung Kalimantan Tengah. Pengunjung dari mancanegara datang ke taman ini karena keindahan alamnya. Ini disebut taman, tetapi tidak seperti taman manapun yang pernah Anda lihat di kota Anda. Ini adalah hutan, yang merupakan paling menarik di dunia.
Okay. And then what is the main idea? And then the topic or the main idea? Yeah, Tanjung Puting National Park, and then
Main idea of the text
Yeah.
is Tanjung Puting National Park is an internationally famous ecotourism destination because its amazing nature.
yeah. Okay, next. Sporting idea. Read it.
Sporting idea paragraph 1.
Yeah.
Visitor from foreign countries come to this park because of its amazing approach.
Okay.
This,
Terus continue.
this is called a park, but unlike any park that you have seen in your city, this is jungle. It is a real jungle. It is home to the most interesting animal in the world.
Okay. Okay. And then reference or inference. Reference and inference. Please lead. You research. Okay. Please. Yes.
Detail information.
Yes. Detail.
Paragraph 1.
No. Reference and inference. Reference and inference. Yes. Paragraph 1. Yes.
Paragraph 1.
With this is refer to Tanjung Puting National Park. And then inference. Many tourists.
Many tourists
Yeah.
from foreign countries come because of its exotic
Nature. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, have a seat please. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, giving applause for the first group. Okay, because we have limited time, the first group will explain about the whole of the topic, the main idea, and then about supporting idea and detail. Now for the second group, please read for the second paragraph what are the main idea and then what are the topic. Okay, what are the main idea and the topic? Yeah.
Topic is Tanjung Puting National Park.
Yes.
Main idea and Tanjung Puting National Park is an international famous ecotourism destination because its amazing nature.
Yeah. Okay. And then how about the third group? Explain about supporting and the detail in the third paragraph. Okay. What are?
Supporting and detail.
Yeah, supporting and detail.
Paragraph 3. Ken Wiki is a rehabilitation place for exotic orangutan and also a reservation site.
Yeah.
And orangutan is also famous center of research which has been conducted by Dr. Birut Gadika since
Okay.
1971.
Okay.
And the last,
And the last,
visitor can
see
daily feeding
to orangutan
at a jungle platform and give opportunity to see orangutan up close.
Okay. Okay.
And
Next, there is
detail. Kentucky is a rehabilitation place for exotic orangutan.
Okay. Okay. Enough? Okay, giving applause for the third group. Okay. The last group will tell you about reference and inference. What is reference? Reference.
Reference in reference paragraph 4.
Yeah.
Which Perahu Kloto.
With Perahu Kloto. Okay, next.
Inference.
Inference.
Many tourists from foreign countries come because of its exotic nature.
Ya, many tourists from foreign country, banyak turis dari foreign country, negara lain, datang karena this exotic nature, karena alamnya begitu exotic. Okay, I think thank you very much for your presentation for the whole. I think you are knows about what are the topic, what are the main idea, what are the supporting idea, what are the detail information, and then what are the reference, what are the inference, I think. Okay, now let's check for your understanding by doing the assignment, dengan mengerjakan tugas, ya, reading, comprehend. Let we doing the exercises together, bersama-sama ya. Okay. Okay, wait a moment, please. Okay, here the question using word wall, ya quiz. Using the word wall quiz. Pertanyaan menggunakan word wall quiz. Okay, let's answer the question together. Kita jawab bersama-sama. So, okay, Putri, please write. Please read. What is the text about? And answer the question. Read, please. Baca. Read, please. Okay.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah. What is the
text about?
Okay, together. What is the text about Taj Mahal? Is it your about Taj Mahal? The information to know the amazing building in the world. The interesting story about in India. The history of magnificent monument in India and the description about Taj Mahal. What is the answer? D. Okay. Description about Taj Mahal in India. Why? The answer is D. Description, because descriptive text is to describe about particular thing or place. So the answer is description. If the answer is information, information means that report to give the information, and then the history means that it is past tense. Past tense means history. For example, recount text, talk about the history of someone or people gitu. Okay, next. Okay, what is the main idea? The main idea of the last paragraph. Main idea of the paragraph. The decoration of Taj Mahal. How the Taj Mahal is the finest decoration of Taj Mahal, atau tourist visit on the central tomb. The answer is C. Okay, C. The finest decoration of Taj Mahal which attract so many tourists. Okay, here are. And then next, what is the function? No. Okay, next. Okay. Talk about specific information. Why did the king contract Taj Mahal? Mengapa raja membangun Taj Mahal? What is the answer? B. The king contract Taj Mahal in memory of his beloved wife and queen. Ya, raja membangun Taj Mahal karena ingin mengenang istrinya. Ya, atau istrinya sebagai seorang permaisuri yang dicintainya. It is about the story of Taj Mahal. I think that all about our study today. Yeah. Before that, I want to you to conclude about our study for today. Okay, the conclusion for our study today is topic. What is topic? Taj Mahal. Topic about Tanjung Puting National Park. What is topic? The topic? Tanjung Puting National Park. Okay, and then what is main idea of the paragraph? No, main idea of the paragraph. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3. Udah kemarin tadi dah ditentukannya. Oke, sudah kita presentasikan. Supporting idea sudah? Sudah. What do you know about supporting idea? Kalimat pendukung. What do you know about main idea? General statement. Detail? Statement in detail. Reference? Kata ganti. Inference? Kesimpulan. Oke. I think that all for our study. But before that, before we continue again, I just want to give you information that we will to study about narrative text for the next meeting. Kita akan belajar tentang naratif. What do you know about narrative? Do you know about narrative? Narrative is tell about past event. Okay, this is our study for the next meeting. Okay, before we close our study for today, as usual, let me pray to God. Please, Adit, come forward. Let me pray together about our lesson today. Hopefully, our study is useful for us in our bright future. Okay, Adit, please come forward.
Attention, please.
Okay.
Before we close our lesson, let's pray. Finish. Greet to the teacher.
Good afternoon for everybody. Adit, please have a seat, please. Okay, thank you very much for your participation for today. I hope you happy for today. Are you happy for today? Yes. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.